Hi, good morning, my friend. This is your boy, Colton Havens, coming to you live from Anchorage, Alaska. Check out this nice little sailor hat here. Look how cool this little guy is right here. That's some artwork. Hey, if this is your first time watching me, make sure you hit that bell notification and follow my page if you think it's worth it. All right, but today, why are we falling up short? Right, we got into this business, we got into this relationship, we got into this thing that we want to have successful, okay, whether that be your relationship or your business or your opportunity, all right, but we're falling up short. We're getting in petty arguments. We're not making the results at the end of the day, all right? What is it that I have to do in order to get the results that I want? All right, we got to put in work. Now this is the thing. We have been taught a whole life not to put in work with one simple sentence. And I'm going to get to that sentence in a second. But if you're a parent, this is especially for you because you control the power of your kids right now. You control their unlimited potential. All right? You saying these words here, this sentence is actually what will stop them in the years to come, futures to come, because it was done to you and the majority of us, okay? This one simple sentence, all right? Don't talk to strangers. What? We were told that over and over and over again, but guess what? Guess how I make $500 in a day? Is that going to my friends and the family and the people that I know? Absolutely not. But you know that. Are you telling your kids, don't talk to strangers? Strangers have everything you want. That's correct. That's by Grant Cardone. Billionaire. Right? Do you want your kids to be successful? Do you want to be successful? You need to talk to more strangers. You need to put in work. That's work. Exposing your opportunity. Exposing yourself to more people. Life is about exposure. Not that kind. Alright? Because if people don't know you, or don't know about you, they don't know you. You need more exposure. You need to start talking to strangers. That's your work. That's putting in reps. Talking about your opportunity. You should know it cold. You should be able to close your eyes, say the exact same thing verbatim. It doesn't matter who's in front of you. Okay? If you don't know that, you're not putting in work. Roll up your sleeves, pick up your shovel, quit complaining about, I don't have results, man. I got into this. I'm doing everything I can. You're not talking to strangers, bud. Look, this is work. See, this is work. Reading the right books. Are you even flipping open pages? Are you reading pages? That's putting in work. Right? Do it. Who's going to put in work today? Who's going to talk to the most strangers today? Hey, comment me down there below if you're up for it. Okay? Don't step up. All right? Don't talk about it. Be about it. I want to see it. I need more videos. All right? Shout it out. This is the challenge to you to put in more reps. All right? Tap that share button because you know it's worthy, but I'm going to see you tomorrow. Because just like you got to bathe and just like you got to eat, you got to get your brain food every day. I love y'all. Peace. GetYourBrainFood.com.